What's up, everyone? Dr. Bell here with Dr. Bell Health. And today we are going to talk about GLP-1s and weight loss. I know it's all over the news. You see commercials for it and everything. So if you've gone to your doctor, you said, I want to lose weight, but they say, well, you're not diabetic, you don't have this, so we can't put you on it. Just eat less and move more. They are 30 years behind. I'm not going to tell you to stop going to them, but don't go to them for weight loss. All right, so here's what's actually happening in your body. Obesity is not a willpower issue, okay? Obesity is not a willpower issue. It hasn't been for a long time. It's a metabolic disease. All the garbage we put in ourselves, all the garbage in the air, all the garbage in our soil, all the garbage we inject in ourselves is causing issues. So when you've been overweight for any length of time, your hunger hormones rewire. Okay, and there's a hormone called leptin, and that tells you when you're full and to stop. And when it's working properly, when you're full, you stop eating, okay? But you might be one of those people that's like, well, I have a piece of pizza. I can have another piece of pizza. Then I want to have cake. Then I want to do this. Your body should be telling you're full. You are full, but your leptin hormone isn't working. And then we have a hormone called ghrelin, and that hormone drives hunger and gets louder. So your leptin hormone gets lower and doesn't tell you when you're full, when you should be, and your hunger hormone gets louder. Your insulin becomes resistant, and your body builds a set point, a fat set point, and defends it like your life depends on it. So that's why every diet you've tried works for 6 weeks, and then it quits, or you do it and then you get off it and then you gain your weight again. All right, you're not being lazy. It's not your fault. Your body was doing exactly what it was designed to do. And this is where GLP-1 medications are awesome. I was resistant against them for a while. I just always thought, hey, I can do it myself. I'm not going to put anything in me. I'm a chiropractor. We're super big on being natural and healthy. Well, after I turned 40, I started gaining weight like I've never done before. I'd lose 5-10 pounds, gain it back, lose 5-10 pounds, gain more. And then I finally got on the GLP-1 bandwagon. It was the easiest it's ever been for me to lose weight. I've lost 30 pounds in about 4 months. And I feel great. And you can do that too. So GLP-1 medications fix that actual broken signal. You're not going to starve yourself. You're not going to be hungry when you do this. They quiet the hunger and they restore the signal that tells you that you are full. They let you eat like a normal person again. So your general practitioner didn't train in this. They maybe got a lecture in med school 10 years ago, maybe because this is so new. I don't know. Maybe they went to some class later on about it, but they don't know anything about it. But our physicians that we use at Dr. Bell Health do, all right? They are trained specifically in GLP-1s and peptides and hormone therapy, all right? Those are 3 big things for you. So one thing I do recommend is if you do GLP-1 is also check your hormones because that is big, all right? So our physicians do it. They run labs if they need to. They'll do thyroid, insulin, sex hormones if they need to. A lot of times you don't need to with GLP-1s, but then they pick the right tool for you. They're not going to pick the one that they've only been that's popular right now. They will find the right thing for you, whether it's tirzepatide, semaglutide, maybe it's a peptide, or maybe you need to start hormones. They will help you figure that out. And the great thing is it doesn't cost you anything to talk to them. Never costs anything to have a consultation with any of our physicians. All right. All you pay for is the labs and the medication, and it's sent to your house. And one of the great things about our product and what we do is we're not just a script mill. You're not just filling out a form online and some doctor who has a job somewhere else and does this part-time just signs off. No, this is what these people do. You talk to them on the phone. They're going to get a full history that they need, and they will take care of you. So if you're tired of being told that it's your fault, go to drbellhealth.com, drbellhealth.com. Click on the weight loss and get evaluated by one of our physicians, and they will put you on the right medication. It wasn't your fault that you got here, all right? But it is your fault if you don't make the change that you need to right now with the medication we have. All right, so stop taking advice that worked 20, 30, 40 years ago. There's new stuff around now, and you can get healthy and get back to being the mom you want to be, the dad you want to be, the grandparent you want to be, the person you were when you were 30, when you were 20, whatever it was. I'm Dr. Bell, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.